In today's video, we're going to learn how to create a before and after white transition effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, import your before and after clips into the timeline and stack them like this. Now, take the modified clip and place it on top of the original clip, then align them properly. Next, press C to select the Cut tool and cut both layers from the middle. Now, delete the first part of the modified clip and delete the last part of the original clip. After that, drag the top layer and place it beside the original layer. Then go to the Effects panel and search for Wipe. Drag the wipe transition and apply it where both layers meet. Now, click on the wipe effect in your timeline. In the Effect Controls panel, you can adjust the size and color of the wipe transition line. If you want to reverse the animation, you can do that from here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.